Hi guys, I'm Brittany Ford and today we're going to be discussing women fitness guides. So I am super excited, super stoked. I started this business because I truly do love fitness. I love fitness and it's really special to me, and I always get tons of questions about fitness. My friends, they always ask me, Brittany, what workout should I do? How often should I work out? What rest time should I have? And all this stuff. So it's just kind of something where I truly loved it, and I think that I showed that off to the world. Thought that I was someone that they could trust with this information. So I said, well, if I love this so much and I'm willing to share with the world, with my friends, with my families, because I truly am passionate about it, then why not make this a business where I can hopefully share it with even more people outside of my close inner circle of family and friends. Fitness to me means the world, but it really does, and to me, it's just where I get my stress out and where I just kind of feel really strong. And I know I come home and I tell my husband what a good gym session that I've had, and I really have had a good session, and my mind just kind of goes blank, and all I can think about is how strong and that good feeling that I feel at the gym, and especially when I get done with my workout. Okay, so what's included in this book? There's a lot of goodies, and I will say that I feel pretty confident that this guide can get any beginner just feeling like a fitness professional. We discuss different body types, and you do have to eat a certain type of way according to your body type. We talk about macros. I deeply go into macros. We talk about how to calculate macros. We hit nutrition, just the basics, easy food swaps. We talk about supplements. Do you need them or not? What type of supplements? We talk about what you should be doing before a workout. We talk about what you should be doing after a workout. Obviously, there's a workout split, which is pretty much just a workout plan. And that workout plan has video demonstrations, and it has everything just in depth, where I truly did not want you to have any questions once you read the book. And then I also answer a lot of frequently asked questions, because I think it's very important. These frequently asked questions are questions that you guys have came to me and told me about. I'm pretty confident that most, or if not all, of your questions will be answered in this guide. Who is this fitness guide for? This fitness guide is for any type of woman. It's either for a beginner or for an expert. And I know that because I've had a lot of friends and family that have given me tons of feedback, and I've had my beginner friends who have no clue about fitness, and they said that it's really well structured. It's very simple, which is exactly what I was trying to go for. I was trying to go for something simple, because I remember being brand new to the fitness world and just wondering how the heck you did a deadlift or even a squat. I know everybody says squat, but a lot of people do not do it right. So it can be very intimidating if you're starting the fitness guides and there's pretty much no guidance. It's just something thrown at you. So that's why I made it very beginner friendly. And I also have friends who are very into fitness. They know tons of stuff. They actually have an exercise and science bachelor's, and even they said that it was a really good refresher for them, and they felt confident that any beginner could definitely start their fitness journey. What is unique about this book? I want to say because I'm unique. I think the most important thing is that everything in this book can be backed up by facts, by scientific research, by fitness professionals, and I didn't want anything to be questionable. So everything that is in my book is stuff that I have personally experienced, but that I've made sure that there is scientific background to it, because I didn't just want to be telling you girls something that I personally think. I wanted it to be backed up by facts. Okay guys, that is all for today. I'm super excited. I cannot wait for this to be out there and available for you girls. Please let me know your input and let me know if you love it. Hope to see you guys soon.